ARITWA bakuru ba Macukuru NIBAURITUE kwijamwe na gutetheria cukuru iji ciao gukura kinya kethira NIBAUMARUKIRE ku BUBU ni uge bwa Junior Peter Gitonga uria ari mwarimu munene wa cukuru ya Ndagene nkurukia miaka 30 mithiru ariti jandira kuriungiri ni ARITWA baria aritanaga na miaka ene wakiuga ARITWA bakuru no batethia cukuru gukura gukurukira kinya mataro na ti mwanka kwithura no tethia bwa kimbeta.
ARITWA bakurukire Macukuru mwanya bauritwe gucokagira kuraithira Macukuru mara bakurukire na kura bathomagira kumagwatira na nkinya kumaukiria kenda makara mari weruni na kagita karakare ogo
ande old boy untubura ndona boy bwega muno ni antu bara bathirire cukuru bakaethera bena mathwanio ya gucoka cukuru gutetheria cukuru ira na njira ya kwariria ARITWA na njira ya utetheria kinya na mbeca waka gintu kiria kibati kwithira giakawa.
Many schools have fallen because former students just go their way and they forget there was somewhere, there's a well they drank from, and they go back to help financially, mentoring, helping, so that the schools which helped to build us, we can also give back.
BUBU ikuringana na ARITWA batene bacukuria Ndagene bariungirite mwarimu wao Mr. Junior Peter Gitonga kiugaga twankinya bagwate mbaru Macukuru mamukimbecha.
Even talking to the students, because sometimes the students feel as if they are nothing and as if they will achieve nothing. But when they see a doctor, is it a doctor, am I right? A doctor, somebody who from that school became a lecturer in the university. Another one became somebody else senior. They won't be encouraged.
Kuringana na ARITWA bariuga ARITWA bakuru bacokerete kiri Macukuru mara mari kuno abombe kwithirwa bagikira mugaru munene kiri Macukuru mama.
Mentor the list of the remaining young boys and even the young generation so that they can also make an impact during their time. We are also successful having visited Ndagene. It requires more expansion probably to meet the competition of digital technology.
Tubamenta kenenyo bamenya ngwira babatikwitha bakirita ne kenda kinya bodera bakakuruka cukuru mwathani abaye ngugi kinya baketha bena mathuganio ya give back to the community na ne butona bwe bwega muno
ira twathomaira rimwe ciitha cinya facilities itikungana. And then what happened today is that we are taumire wa tamba kwitha, for example taundi ta Kenya Methodist University ndomba kwitha dina other people barabomba kuja bakatetheria gukiria in type of mentorship.
Kiripotera Wero TV kuma gicigo mbunge kia Mara bitagwa Mateni Mogambi.